Betelgeuse is truly temperamental. It's going to detonate. It could happen tomorrow or even during this transmission. When it does, it will shine like a second sun in the sky. The James Webb Telescope has detected an unexpected 250% increase in Betelgeuse's brightness. This red star, located at the shoulder of the Orion constellation, has been exhibiting peculiar behavior, fueling speculation about a potentially unique cosmic event. The surge in brightness might indicate that the star is preparing to go supernova, though no one knows exactly when it will happen. Experts speculate that it could be soon. Join us as we delve into the mysteries surrounding the celestial giant. After all, Betelgeuse could reshape our entire understanding of the universe. The fascination with Betelgeuse. Betelgeuse is a massive star, easily visible as a bright, reddish dot at the shoulder of Orion. If placed at the center of our solar system, its outer surface would extend beyond Jupiter's orbit. This gigantic star continues to captivate astronomers due to its relative proximity to Earth. Betelgeuse is classified as a semi-regular variable star, meaning its brightness fluctuates, sometimes dramatically. These constant changes are part of the star's ongoing journey toward a grand collapse, likely culminating in a supernova explosion. While always a prominent object in the sky, its recent unusual brightness fluctuations have sparked even greater interest among scientists. Unprecedented brightness and behavior. In 2020, scientists noted a significant event they call the Great Dimming. Between 2019 and 2020, Betelgeuse's brightness dropped substantially. Since then, it has been pulsating at double its usual rate, even becoming brighter than ever before. In May 2023, a Twitter account called Betelbot, which tracks the star's fluctuations, reported a stunning 142% increase in brightness. Recent updates show this surge has grown to 150%. Astrophysicist Andrea Dupree observed that Betelgeuse now ranks as the seventh brightest star in the night sky, climbing from its usual position as the 10th. For those in the southern hemisphere, Betelgeuse is a spectacular sight in the evening. Learning from a dying giant. Dr. Sarah Webb, an astrophysicist from Swinburne University in Australia, highlights the star's significance. We are witnessing the final stages of a massive star's life, something never studied in such detail before. By observing Betelgeuse, scientists gain crucial insights into the fate of red giants before they explode into supernovas. If and when Betelgeuse finally explodes, it will become incredibly bright, perhaps visible even during the day, and may cast shadows at night. This possibility excites both amateur stargazers and professional astronomers, as it promises to be an extraordinary cosmic event. The supernova explosion of Betelgeuse, commonly referred to as Betelgeuse, could be observable to humans due to its relatively close distance of only 650 light-years. This proximity offers an unparalleled view of such an event. According to Heidi Morris, a scientist at Los Alamos National Laboratory, Betelgeuse has been undergoing cycles of brightening and dimming for a long time. In fact, ancient cultures, including indigenous Australians and Greeks, noticed these patterns thousands of years ago. Typically, the star's brightness cycle lasts about 400 days, but since 2019, its brightness has been fluctuating more rapidly, changing every 10 to 30 days. What's driving this unusual behavior? This change began after the star ejected part of its outer atmosphere. While this behavior is atypical, it raises the possibility that Betelgeuse is nearing the end of its life, a process that could culminate in a supernova. However, predicting when this will happen remains challenging. Astronomers lack a reliable method to forecast when a star will go supernova. Despite some predictions, it's unlikely that anyone alive today will witness this event. Betelgeuse, a red supergiant, has only existed for about 10 million years, a brief lifespan compared to our sun's 5 billion years. As a massive star, its life is short and intense. When Betelgeuse finally exhausts its fuel, its core will collapse under its own mass, leading to an explosion that could outshine entire galaxies. Speculations on timing. Astronomers continue to debate when Betelgeuse might explode. For instance, historical evidence suggests that the star has been getting redder over the last 2,000 years. According to Jason Ibrahimi, an astronomer at West Virginia University, this implies that Betelgeuse may have transitioned into a red supergiant relatively recently in cosmic terms. This could mean it still has a long time before its fuel is entirely depleted. NASA predicts that Betelgeuse won't explode for another 100,000 years. However, Heidi Morris warns that we shouldn't assume it will remain stable for that long. Continued observation is essential. Could it have already exploded? Dr. Sarah Webb reminds us that the light we see from Betelgeuse is over 600 years old, meaning the star could have already exploded, and we simply don't know it yet. This possibility is both unsettling and exciting, emphasizing the mysteries of the universe. The bigger picture. Betelgeuse has challenged previous assumptions about stellar behavior. For example, in 1987, astronomers believed only red supergiants could become supernovas. However, the unexpected explosion of a blue giant star in another galaxy forced scientists to revise this belief. Recent fluctuations in Betelgeuse's brightness suggest it might explode sooner than previously thought. On June 2nd, 2023, a study proposed that the star is nearing the end of its core carbon-burning phase. Once the carbon in its core is depleted, a core collapse could trigger a supernova in just a few years. A spectacle for the ages. If Betelgeuse does explode during our lifetimes, it would be an extraordinary event. Its brightness could surpass Venus, making it visible during the day and casting dramatic shadows at night. The explosion would last approximately 100 days, offering astronomers a rare opportunity to study the aftermath in detail. Thankfully, Betelgeuse is far enough from Earth that its explosion wouldn't pose a threat to our planet. Instead, it would likely spark a global fascination with astronomy. Historically, supernovas have been interpreted as celestial omens, and Betelgeuse's explosion would undoubtedly inspire significant cultural and scientific discussions. The importance of continued observation. Betelgeuse is not the only red supergiant star in the universe. Others, like Antares, could also explode before it. Statistically, the Milky Way is overdue for a supernova, meaning it's only a matter of time before the next one occurs. Betelgeuse's history is filled with dramatic events, including the Great Dimming in 2019 when the star's brightness dropped by 60%. This event fueled speculation that the star might be preparing for a supernova. However, scientists later concluded that the dimming was likely caused by a combination of factors, including a cold mass and a dust cloud passing in front of the star. A star worth watching. Despite the uncertainty surrounding its future, Betelgeuse remains a captivating subject for astronomers and space enthusiasts alike. Its unpredictable behavior and spectacular brightness fluctuations make it one of the most studied stars in the sky. As a red supergiant, Betelgeuse has already gone through several stages in its relatively short lifespan. Its impending transition to a supernova is of great interest to scientists seeking to understand the life cycle of massive stars. By observing Betelgeuse, we not only unravel the mysteries of this particular star, but also gain insights into the broader workings of the universe. For now, the question remains, will Betelgeuse surprise us with an early explosion, or will it continue to shine brightly for generations to come?